show you how to upgrade your computer desktop into, well, a gaming computer. And to open it, you only need like a Philips. This is a Intel Pentium dual core. We will be replacing its graphics card with this graphics card, its power supply with this 600 watts power supply, its motherboard with this Asus motherboard, and its we'll be replacing the processor with this processor, the AMD Phenom II X6 6-core. We'll be replacing its RAMs with 2 sticks of RAMs, 4 GB each, and yeah, we'll show you how to do it. Take these screws off from the cover and take it off. We'll be replacing this old motherboard and this old power supply with the ones I just showed you, and we'll be using this 6 GP per second SATA cable.
2, 1.
Disconnect the cables off and unscrew the hole in the motherboard screws to there. Open these 4 screws to take the power supply off. Slide the motherboard and power supply out. For now, we'll be using the same cooling fan for the This power supply actually comes off from the back, so you have to slide it from the back side. Make sure you vacuum the unit if it's dirty. The new motherboard is a big motherboard, so have enough supporting posts for it. Like this, and this. So the motherboard went in nicely, the new one, and you put the screws in. So the power supply goes in from this way, the same way the old one came out. Connect the power supply cable to the motherboard and the other cables. Take the hard drive off by unscrewing the screw. Install the new hard drive back in. Make sure all the cooling fans are connected right to the power supply. Now install the RAM. We installed 8 GB of RAM in the motherboard or computer. Now we will install the graphics card. We installed the Asus motherboard. We installed 8 GB of RAM. We installed the new graphics card. We installed the new power supply, and we installed a new hard drive with the SATA cable, and now let's see if it will work. On and see if it works. It turned on fine.
Go.
Well, there's a fan error, so we have to bypass that. So yeah, this is how we upgrade a desktop computer from dual core to 6 core.